And we're back to learn JavaScript. Let us combine our assignment operator with arithmetic operators. So it is also possible. We'll print out our variable x, which is 12. And here we can write that directly. For example, we want to add 5 to it. We can write plus 5, but also plus equals 5. When we print it out, this is the same. And what it basically does is it takes the variable x, which is 12, and it adds 5 to it, and then returns the result, which is 17. This also goes for all other arithmetic operators. So for example, multiplication, division, remainder, all that works. You may have been wondering what's the difference here. I can directly write x remainder 8 and it will give me 4 as well. Well, the difference is that this is also an assignment. So when we write that here, let y equals x plus 8 and then we print out y, we'll get 20. We can also assign that directly to the variable x. So instead of declaring it again, we'll just use x and then set it to equal x plus 8. And when we print it out, it's 20. And a short form way of writing this is x plus equals 8. So the variable x will not just be used in the equation here in our document.write, it will also be reassigned. So instead of having the value 12 from now on, the variable x has the value of 20. And if I make it multiply equals 8, we have 96. So it's just a shorter way of writing this. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.